College EMR training made easy. We've added new projects and are excited to introduce the additional workbook contents in this quick compilation. Here's what students will experience.
Select MOH Lab Rec blank, then order the tests by checking the box beside the test below. The following tests need to be typed in manually in the MOH Lab Rec blank. One test per line under Other Tests. The preferred pronouns and removes a possible barrier to healthcare for this patient. Pronoun preference, their, they, them. Transgender patient. Test results. Please complete this task in Accuro. Erin's test results have been received and examined. Upload the results to the patient's chart using the Documents tab. Don't forget to add the test type and date.
Click the drop-down arrow from the Notes library and select Nursing Care Plan. A pop-up will appear and you can enter the task details into the appropriate heading of the Nursing Care Plan. You must obtain consent before using task automation with a patient. Go to the EMR and choose the Virtual Care Consent form from the Forms library. Check off Informed Verbal Consent to simulate consent was provided by the patient. Send the following text message to Erin using WaiveTheWait. Go to Home, select Tasks, check off the patient box, type in the name of your patient. Assign the task to this user. Type into the Notes field. Click OK and submit the task. In order to see your task completed, go to your task inbox, open your task, and mark it manually completed. Now you'll be able to find your task in the completed box, and this will be the message that appears. You can also now go into your virtual chart, open the task, and see that this task has been completed.